Hmm. So on that day we started with our warehouse discussion. So today we will proceed further and we will start our uh, configuration setup. Okay. So on that day we have seen two things. One is the warehouse parameters and one another one we have also seen how we can log into the environment. Okay. To the FNO application. Okay. So I hope you have copied that URL. If not, today also we are going to start on it. Let the environment be ready. Hmm. So I have prepared one advanced warehouse and one is a basic warehouse. Okay, what is the difference between it? If you go to advanced warehouse, I have shown you that there is a boolean marked, okay, on it, which is a use warehouse management process. What is the other thing? In basic warehouse, this boolean is not true. Okay, so one setup you need to always remember. Okay, so whenever you come, other setups are also required, but we will talk specific to the advanced warehousing right now. So this particular boolean decides that the advanced features of the warehouse should be enabled for this or not. Okay, other than this, if you go, we have, if now the difference. Okay, what is the difference between it? If I go to accounts payable module and I go to all purchase orders, I have prepared. Okay, this was prepared for the advanced warehousing. Okay, what I will do, I will create a new purchase order for you. Okay, and one we will create for standard and one we will create for different. Okay, so we will go for this particular vendor. On the vendor we will add the language. Okay, and then we will check if we have site and warehouse. Okay, so the site will be common and I told you the warehouse will change. So this is the one is for basic warehouse. Okay, let's go for the basic warehouse. If I click OK, okay, so now my item is now sales or purchase order is now created. So what I will do, I will go for the item over here. Okay, done. Now unit price, let's say I am purchasing it for 1000 GBP. Okay, save it. We will only focus on the warehousing part. Okay, so I will not apply any taxation on it. Okay, so let's go for the product. Site and warehouse is done. Other than this, I will not apply location, license plate, inventory status. Okay, and I will try to save it, and we will wait for the errors, what errors it is showing. Okay, header. Over here we will go with the, we'll change it to purchase order. This we can specify on the procurement and sourcing parameters. Okay, why I have kept it to purchase order? The reason is, if I don't keep it the purchase order, I will not get a confirmation button. Okay, confirmation is only applicable to purchase order. Okay, so I will show you where this confirm is there. So this confirmation, if I select the journal over here, this confirmation will go. Save it. Today's system is very slow. So you will see the confirm button has gone. If you go to the purchase type and now purchase order, you will see that this confirmation button will come. Okay, so the second stage of your purchase order is confirmation. Okay, so once the details are there, the confirm button will be enabled for you. Now once this is enabled, I will click on the new button. Now same, I will go for the vendor, same vendor, the site and warehouse will change. Okay, instead of the basic warehouse we will go for the advanced warehouse, sorry. So over here we will go for the advanced warehouse and we will click on the OK button. It is asking for the language, give it a language also, en UK, and I will click on the OK button. So I'm telling you what is the difference actually you will get with the basic purchase order. Same item, one quantity with 1000 GBP, and here we go with the save button. See what happens over here is, again we will go for the header section. At the confirmation level, this is confirmed now. See on the receive, you are getting a product receipt. Okay, we will go here and over here we will change it to purchase order. We can by default it to purchase order. Okay, I will show you at the parameter level. You can see, you can find out also. Okay, so this purchase order we will save it. It will change to confirmation and we will confirm it. Once this is confirmed, now the product receipt. Okay, we will choose the product receipt of both. So now this is confirmed. You go to the product receipt. Say till here everything is same, right? Now let's go to the product receipt. This is the advanced warehousing. This is the AW1 and this is the BW1 basic warehouse. See the product receipt. So it is saying cannot create a record in form configuration. Save a platform log. The record already exists. Just wait for a minute. Let's go to the lines level and this is the basic warehousing. Let's go for the receipt list first. Let's create the receipt list. Okay, now it is asking for the product receipt. Let's give it a product receipt 11192024/01. Okay, this is the product receipt. Click on OK button. Let's do over here also the receipt list. Click on the receipt list is actually at the receipt level. Okay, I will click OK now and see, waiting for the error to come. So now the receipt list is created. We will go for the product receipt now over here and see over here the product receipt is still working on. So let's do the product receipt 11192024/01 and click on OK button. Let's see what happens here. So here we are getting an error. What is this error? See the posting error. We are getting the inventory dimension location must be specified, dimension inventory status must be specified, inventory dimension batch number must be specified. So these are the dimensions actually. Okay, so where are these dimensions needs to be specified? You go to the receipt list and you go to the lines and you try to update the line with the registration. Over here also I believe the same error will show. inventory dimension. Okay, let me do first in one only. Okay, so create a serial number. Serial number is required. The format is sr slash 2024 slash hash 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 and click on OK button. So serial number is created. We need to go for the add the registration line. Okay, confirm the registration. It is asking for site warehouse, serial number, owner, few more details. Dimension batch number cannot be left blank. Dimension batch number. Let's give this batch. The location. Let's don't give the location right now. Close it. Confirm the registration. So it is now giving one more error. Let's see what is the error over here. So it is asking dimension batch number cannot be left blank if dimension serial number is set. Okay, where it is? Inventory dimension batch number. Batch number we have given. We will go for available license plate. We will wait for the system to assign, confirm the registration. It is asking few more errors. Just wait. We will go for the confirm the registration. Okay, so now it is in the ordered status. Save and go back. Now we will try to click on the receipt list. So operation is now product operation cancelled. Where the product receipt? Let's see what is that. We'll do again the product receipt now. Product receipt 11192024/01. Okay, and now click on OK button. It is giving us an error. What is the error? Inventory dimension location must be specified. Inventory status must be specified. So where we need to specify? Let's go to product receipt. Go for the update the line registration. On the registration line, add the registration line. Batch number is B1. Location it is asking for. Let's give the location. In this location we are buying. Okay, then we are buying for the available, and then we want the license plate to be this one. All these dimensions I will tell you in the coming sessions. Okay, let's save it and confirm the registration. Once this is confirmed, I hope this error will go now and it will complete the registration process. So now we will click on OK button and let's wait for the number must be specified. So it is asking that the product receipt number I have not given 11192024/011. Okay, now click on OK button. Let's wait for the product receipt to be completed. Now it is giving that okay, posting error, failed to resolve the account number for transaction type cost of purchase material received. This is a new entity, so we need to define that also. Let me define in faster way. Inventory posting, actually it is asking for. Let's go to the inventory management, and in the inventory management we will go for the posting, I believe. Yes, so we are creating the purchase order. We will create the main accounts. This I have already explained how it works. Okay, raw material, cost of purchase material, expenditure, new, and here we go with the expense. Cost of purchase material invoiced. Raw material purchase expenditure. We'll go for the expense. And then there is a purchase expenditure for the expense. This is required actually for your if if you are handling with the category. Okay, so at that level it is required, but we will define it, no problem. Inventory, so fixed cost inventory issue, this is required actually. Inventory issue, inventory receipt, inventory receipt, we'll save it. Inventory profit, it is not required. If any error comes up, then we will define it. Okay, other than this, I believe one more error we will get of the vendor posting profile. So we will go to the accounts payable, we will go to the setup, we will go for the vendor posting profile, and on the vendor posting profile we will create a new posting profile std standard. Okay, click on the save button, click on the add button, we will go for the group, and then we go for the group domestic. We need to define only the summary account. Okay, so accounts payable, accounts payable domestic accounts, save it. std accounts payable parameters. In the parameters level on the ledger and sales tax, we have to define the posting profile. Okay, that's all. I think we should not get the error now. We will close it, we will close it, and we will go for the product receipt now. We will create the product receipt 11192024/011. Click on the OK button. Let's see. Let's wait for the error. So there is an error now. Let's see what is the error over here. So it is the message details. Account number for transaction type purchase accrual does not exist. Let's give the purchase accrual also. Recent posting. Purchase order. Purchase accrual. New. Get purchase accrual. Finished goods. Click on the save button. Let's try to do the receipt now. So these are the setups that you have to do, okay, while doing your product receipt. So 11192024/01. Click on the OK button. Okay, so now the product receipt is completed. But if you go to the line level, you will see there is a warehouse option and there is a work details. So over here, there is no work details created. If you try, what I mean to say is, if you try to and check the inventory also. Let's check the inventory. Inventory management. Let's go to inventory management, inquiries and reports, on hand list. So click on the apply button. One item is there, so not much time it will take. So we have two available items over here, and if I go to dimensions, we will add the dimensions: site, warehouse, location, license plate, inventory status, and click on OK button. So it is showing that okay, add the EW1 location. There is one item available with a physical quantity of 2. Reservation is of 1 quantity only. Physically reserved at 1 quantity. Okay, for one location it is reserved with this particular license plate. Okay, 2 quantity are there. Now what is the difference between a basic warehouse? Okay, so if I complete this also, this receipt, let me complete this one. Okay, so location, first thing, it is not showing up. Then we will go for the license plate. Let's try for this one. Okay, inventory dimension must be specified. Let's do the product receipt at the basic warehouse level also. Okay, so 11192024 slash 012. Okay, and click on the OK button. So there is error. What is error? The error is item dimension location must be specified. Let's go to the product receipt. Do the product receipt now. Update the line, registration, give it a serial number, create the serial numbers. I think I missed it in the basic warehouse. Serial number SR 2024 slash hash and click on the OK button. So the serial number done. Add the registration. One serial number is allocated. Go for the batch. Go for at which location. Locations are not coming up over here. Okay, because this is a basic warehouse. Okay, so over here location is not involved. But inventory dimension location must be specified. So we will click on the confirm the registration. So it is asking that here we want to have a location does not have a location profile. Location does not support license plate as it is not license plate controlled. So what system is showing, actually let me firstly delete this part. Okay, then it is asking location does not support license plate, location does not have location profile. So at the basic level, when you are working with the basic warehouse, these things will not come up. Only the site and warehouse is required. Okay, but then why it is showing, why it is showcasing? So it is showcasing because at the item level, if you come at the item level, if you come, there are few mandatory setups that we have to do. Okay, so if I come on this one, go to the inventory and I go to the purchase, let me go to details and the product number, warehouse, item number. So this is the item number. Okay, so when you are working with a particular item which needs advanced warehouse, so the storage dimension should be used with the advanced warehouse. Means the item is linked with the advanced warehouse, the storage is advanced warehouse. Okay, that means step number one. Okay, if you are working with the item which requires or a particular warehouse where the where your advanced warehousing concept is involved. Okay, so at that time you have to set up the storage dimension group and the warehouse. Okay, for the advanced warehouse. Okay, the boolean which I have shown you in the first stage. Okay, and after that you can go ahead with your receipt. Okay, so you can complete a receipt, but at the basic warehouse level this particular item cannot be stored. Okay, so because the locations are not showing up to you. Okay, let to instead of this warehouse you can have it in another warehouse. Okay, so location does not support license plate as it is license plate controlled, as it is not license plate controlled. Okay, so that means you will not be able to confirm it. Okay, in that case this item should you first need to check that it is enabled for advanced warehousing or not. Okay, now coming to the point is the part which I have shown over here, the product receipt. One more feature you get it in the system when you work with the advanced warehousing concept is the concept of work. Okay, so what I will do, I will create a new purchase order with you. This time it will, okay, I will show you that uh, by default feature where it is there. due to which the purchase order is coming as journal. Okay, so if you go to inventory management over here, uh, inventory management, where it is, sorry, procurement and sourcing. So in the procurement and sourcing parameters, if you go, so over here the purchase type is by default should be purchase order. Okay, and then you can click on the save button and see what happens now. On the vendor account, select the same vendor, select the same site, select the same warehouse, AW1 advanced, and then you go for the language en-us. Okay, so the language. Now click on the OK button. Once you click on the OK, select the same item. Site and warehouse will come from the purchase order level. Don't fill the location, license plate, inventory status for now. What you can do, you can fill the quantity. Let's say this time I am asking for, uh, instead of 10, I am asking for 20 iPhones. Okay, and per unit price is, let's say, 800. Okay, now confirm it. Let's open here f equals to ws execute t001. I have shown you the application, right? So this is the user ID and password I have told you in the last class how to set up the worker. We will come on it later. So there is a purchase receive option. Like this we can have a number of options. Okay, receive. So warehouse will contain multiple options. Okay, for a particular user, means there are multiple options. We are going to set up in the next sessions. Okay, so this receive part, I want to receive it. Okay, so what I need to do is, I need to confirm it first. If I do right now, see what will happen. Okay, what we'll do, we will click on the purchase receive, and this is the PO number we have to fill. There will be a barcode scanner, and once you scan it, the system will come over here. Okay, you click on OK button. System will ask you for the item, what item you want to receive. So this is the item. This particular activity will be done by your worker. Okay, so it is saying product cannot be received, please contact your supervisor. Why? Now the supervisor will go and check the status of the purchase order. It is in the approved status, so you will go for the header. Let me check. It is journal actually. It should be purchase order. Okay, maybe I need to refresh my system once, but that's fine. I have shown you the setup. There you click on the default purchase order, then it will come. Okay, confirm it, and it is confirmed now. Let's go to the purchase receive. Purchase receive. Go for the PO number. Go for the OK. PO number, purchase order number is not valid. Sorry, the purchase order number. So obviously, the purchase order number is not valid. So Control C. The user will go and check that okay, this is the purchase order number. He will barcode. He will take the barcode. Then the item number. We will go to the lines. We will go for the item number, and here we go with the item number, and then we go for the quantity. Let's say 10 quantity. Out of 10 quantity, only we want to receive right now 3. Okay, let's click on the OK button. System will see ki okay, unit. I will tell you what this concept is. PL. Okay, so we have each quantity right now at the purchase order level. We want to receive in each only 3 quantity. I want to receive. Click on the OK button. Once it is clicked on the OK, system will ask you for the batch number. So batch number we will give B1. This is already created over here. Okay, so this is the batch number. So here is the batch number. Okay, so batch number is done. Then expiry date, MDYYY. So expiration date already, although it is not required, so I will leave it for now, or let's give it, no problem. Let's say there is no expiry also for mobile. What is expiry? But let's say for example we will give 12 slash D 31 slash 2026 is the expiry. Serial number we will give SR slash, this will be scanned by the warehouse operator. Okay, serial number done. Quantity left to receive is 3, so we will click on the 3 and we will click on the OK button. Inventory dimension status cannot be left blank. Where is the status? So status particular field is not there. Okay, so we need to fill the status. License plate has been assigned by the system. Update has been cancelled. Batch number is P1, but license plate is not there. How we will give it? 12 slash 12 slash 2024. Serial number SR. Quantity left to receive is 3. We will receive 3. We will click on the OK button. Dimension inventory status cannot. We need to add the field over here. So we will add the field, but meanwhile, what I will show you, we will refresh it. And after the refresh, there will be a warehouse work details. So let's do one thing. We will give the uh, inventory status over here only. Okay, so inventory status, this is one of the dimensions which is not available over there, so we will add it over here only and save it, and then click on the save button. We will cancel the one, and then we will again type the PO number. So the PO number is there. So PO number, quantity is 3 we want to receive, and we will click on the OK button. Item, we will type the item. Then first, at first level, it is checking that this particular purchase order exists or not. We will click on OK button. Then we will go for the OK. It will give the unit. This we are. I am telling you. I will come in the next sessions with this. Okay. So batch B1, expiry date 12/12 slash 2026 slash serial number SR 2024 1, and quantity to receive is 3. Click on the OK button. If everything goes well, it will create a work order. Actually, work completed. Now a work has been completed. You can see the work. If you go over here, the work, you will see over here, under the warehouse tab, for the advanced warehousing concept, this particular tab, this particular option will be enabled, the warehouse. So a work has been created. What the work has been created? From one location it will be picked, and it will be kept in another location put. Okay, so this work has been completed, and from here you can complete the work, or this particular work can be done at the this option only. So at this option, what we will do, we will add one more option over here for the purchase receive. Okay, and right now if you see, save it, you go back, and you will see that okay, at the receive level there is no option enabled for you. If you are using this option of advanced warehousing, okay, this will not be there. Okay, if you confirm it, firstly let me confirm it. Once the purchase order is created, you need to confirm it. Once the confirmation is completed, then you can go ahead with your receiving part in the warehouse section. Okay, so now this is the whole logic behind the advanced warehousing and the basic warehousing, which I have shown you today. Now in the coming sessions, I am going to tell you from scratch how you can configure the advanced warehousing in your D365 with the procurement setup. Okay, so thank you. I will hang on the session for now here, and we will continue from the setup part. Okay, so I hope now you have a clear idea how you can track your advanced warehousing. Okay, what is the difference actually between the basic warehousing and the advanced warehousing? So this is not clear to the students, and this I want to take one session with you and want to clear. Now we will focus on the setups and the process, and in the coming days we will complete this warehousing part, advanced warehousing, sorry. Okay, so thank you, Karthik. Thanks for joining the session so late. Thank you.